Hi, I've been wearing the Ardell magnetic eyeliner and lashes all day for more than 12 hours. It's past 1 in the morning and I want to get a clean face before I go to bed. So I'm going to show you how I remove the lashes. Speaking of clean, this is not clean. This is going to be kind of a messy process. This is the third time I've done it and I've learned a couple things. My advice is don't pull them off directly from your face. You should use an oil-based makeup remover. I really like Marcel's Gentle Makeup Remover for sensitive eyes. It's one of those biphase makeup removers, so you just shake it up. It's oily, but it really does work. And my tip for you is add it to cotton swab. Make sure you really soak it. And then you can gently apply it to the base of the lashes, and that way you can loosen up the bond between the liner and the magnets. There you go. It's starting to come off by itself. It's a lot less painful this way. The first time I did it, I pulled it off and I pulled off some eyelashes and it was really, really painful. It's not worth it. So this way you can save your lashes and it looks like I have raccoon eyes, but it's probably the best way that I know how to do it. Really messy. That's probably one of the downsides of using this system. That looks pretty dramatic, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna use another cotton swab too. It uses a lot. Just gently roll and dab it and it comes off really easily. I look like I'm ready for Halloween. That's coming up already. Where's the time going? Okay, once you get to this step, just place your lashes in a safe place. You can put them, you'll have to take care of them as well because they are reusable, which is fantastic. So you're gonna get a lot of value out of these. So I go back in with the makeup remover. And then I clean up the rest. Oh, it's like I'm so tired. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go wash my face with some cleanser. I'll be right back. It feels so good to be so clean again. I wanted to mention the only time I feel irritation with the system is sometimes when I'm taking off the liner and the liner gets into my eyes. That can be kind of irritating. Otherwise, when I wear it, it feels great. I wanted to show you how to maintain it as well because you can, of course, reuse these. So what I do is I dip a cotton swab in the oil-based makeup remover and then I make sure to clean along the base and clean off all the magnets. That way, the next time I use it, it'll hold really well. I also splash some eye makeup remover on a cotton pad and then I pat them dry and then I add water and then pat them dry again before I put them back into their original packaging. And after you're done, it's important to place it back into the packaging just like that so it can hold its shape and it'll be good to go next time. So those were my tips wearing the Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lash Kit. I've been a big fan. I've worn it 3 times now and it's been really great. It's been a wonderful addition to my makeup arsenal and I'll be wearing it again on repeat. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you have any comments or questions. And yeah, have a wonderful day and be kind to yourself and to others.